One of the most important thing is for products to advertise those products to different social media platforms. And nowadays it's become so much easier for the AI models, where you only have to just upload your product image, and after that you have to give the prompt, and based on that you can generate images, or like you can generate very beautiful videos. You don't need to just spend so much money for like a videographer or like for a video editor or just something like a studio. But again, like it's kind of like a little bit problematic because you have to actually do this thing everything by yourself. You have to think about the prompt, you have to think about the captions, and then after generating the image or like after generating the video, you have to by yourself manually upload those videos or upload those images to different social media platforms. And it's become so much harder day after day because you have to become so much consistent in this journey. But whatever that, an AI system will do this thing exactly for you, where you only need to drop your image of the product, and then the AI system will upload the generated image or upload the generated video to all of the social media platform with an AI generated caption. Yeah, it's really possible. So let me show you how these things really work. So this AI system will just work in two ways. The first thing, as I said, you ever the generated video, where you only need to upload your product image, and then the AI system will generate a video and then upload that to all of your social media platforms. And again, the product, it can be anything. It can be clothes, it can be watch, it can be any digital product, just anything it can be. And the second way is like if you want to just do with like image ad automation, where you only need to just upload your image of the product, and then the AI system will generate an image instead of just generating a video, and then it will just upload that generated image to all of the social media platform with an AI generated captions. And yeah, like the captions will be different for each of the social media platforms. So basically we're using here an N10 AI system with like multiple AI platforms, or like you can say AI models. And in here the main AI models are two. The first one is the Nano Banana Pro, which is actually the latest model of the Google, and that's the right now the best AI model for image generation. And secondly, we're using here the Kling 2.6, which is a video generator AI model, and again that's right now the best for the video generation. And in some cases, like the Google's View 3.1, which is the video generator model of Google, it's a little bit good than this, but in some cases the Kling 2.6 is so much better than View 3.1. So that's why we're using here the Kling 2.6, and that's how the AI system really looks like. So let me show you a quick demo, and after that I'll show you step by step how this AI system really works. So the first thing, as I tell you, that like we'll actually generate a video and then upload that to all of your social media platforms. And for that I'll just go with execute the workflow, and when you click that, this kind of form will come up in front of you. It's just very easy, dude. So here all you have to do is at the first you have to give the product photo, and then just go with like choose file, and I'll go with these sneaker images, and then just go with upload. And after that, in this place of product title, I have to give the name of the product that I uploaded. I'll just go with like Indian stickers, something like this. And then I have to choose the video duration in seconds, and in this case I can go with like 5 or 10. So like if you don't have a Kling 2.6, that can generate like 5-second video, or it can generate like 10-second video right now, but in future maybe it will just generate more than like 10-second video. So I just go with like 5-second video, and then in the place of background style I can choose any kind of like background style. I'll just go with a sunny day background style, and then I'll just go with go. And when I click go, then this AI system will be activated, and then it will generate a video for my product, and then it will upload that to my all of the social media platforms. As you can see, it's working, and believe me, it doesn't take that much time. And the best thing, it will be automated, so I don't have to wait in here. So as you can see, it's showing that upload has been done. So let me go to my Instagram first. So let me just refresh that, and you'll see the generated video will be in front of you. And let me go to my profile, and here you can see that's a generated video. So based on my prompt, it actually generated this video, and if I open that, here you can see that's a generated video. At the top left corner, as you can see, you can add your own business logo, and so like nobody can steal this content and repost that in their own social media platforms. Basically, I made this project for my one of the client, and he actually need this kind of video, so that's why I actually made the prompt in that way. If you need different kind of videos, like you can actually do that for yourself, like only have to just change the prompt, that's it. I'll show you how you can do that. So as you can see that like it's uploaded successfully in Instagram. Let me go to TikTok. So as you can see that that's my TikTok account, and there's the video just uploaded, which is really cool. And after that, if I come to my Facebook, you can see that the Facebook video is uploaded, and the caption is different for only for the Facebook audiences. If I go to the threads, you can see there's the video with a different caption. And if I go to my X or the formula tutor, you can see there's a tweet, simple tweet about the shoe, and you can see there's the video. If I go to my Pinterest, you can see there's a pin in here. Okay, and yeah, we just did this again with another caption. And in my LinkedIn, you can see there's the video. And if I go to my YouTube right now, and inside YouTube you can see there's the video is just uploaded with the YouTube caption. So that's really good. And let me kind of like try with the second automation. So in this case, I only have to give the product image, and based on the product image, it will generate a product poster ad, and it will just upload that to all of the social media platform instead of just generating a video. So in this case, again, I'll just go with like execute the workflow, and this kind of thing came up in front of me. Here I'll just kind of like go with product photo, and I'll just choose this same image again, which is this one. And then in the place of product title, I'll just go with like on sneakers, something like this. And then in the place of image ratio, I only have to choose like what's the image ratio will be. I'll just go with like 9:16 because I need a vertical image. You can actually go with like 1:1 for a square. You can also go with like 60:9 if you want a horizontal image. Okay, I'll just go with like vertical image, then I'll just go with go. Now this AI automation system, as you can see, started as like the previous one. And now instead of uploading the video, as I said, it would only just upload the image. And inside the prompt, I kind of like added that how I need the image really. So basically I need the same image that I showed you in the video. So like my client need that, so that's why we will just get the same kind of images, but in your case it can be different. So you can see it's kind of like saying that workflow executed successfully. So if I go to my Instagram at first, you can see there's image just now uploaded, which is really cool. So I can see right now I'm in Facebook, and this the just now generated image has been uploaded, which is, as you can see, is saying like just now, and here's a caption. And yeah, that's really cool. And let me kind of like go to X then, and you can see that there's the generated image with like a different caption only for X. And then if I go to threads, you can see that there's a generated image in here with like another caption. And if I go to my Pinterest, you can see there's the Pinterest just been uploaded right now, and here you can see another caption. And if I go to my LinkedIn, you can see there's the image in here with like a different caption. And as you know that like we can actually directly upload the images to YouTube and not in also TikTok, so that's why these two social media platform we can't upload that. Okay, so yeah, like that's how this AI system works in here. And yeah, this only for the image generation, and this only for the video generation, or you can say about the video ads. And right now let me show that how I build this AI system, and also show you that inside how this AI system really work. And before that, if you need these two workflows, you will get that inside the Hello community. I've given the link in the description. So if you go in the place of classroom, you'll see all of my AI agents and automations for today's project. If it's like for anything, if you open that, you'll see in the lesson number 60 or like the project number 60, you'll get a detailed guide video where exactly I guided that how you can actually set up this AI system very easily. Just you have to just upload this workflow in the place of resources to your N10, and then you have to just watch the video and just follow, and then you're just ready to go. So I'm gonna like show you that how you can actually upload that. If you just go with like the first workflow for the video ads, just click that, download that, and after that all I have to do is go with a new workflow, something like this. And then in the place of three dots, go with like import from file, and here only have to just go with your workflow that you just downloaded from the community. And as you can see, that's what it just look like. And after this, just watch the guide video and you're ready to go. So yeah, I actually made this thing so much easy, so you don't have to go with like the very just headache things that I just gone through. And for that, I actually built this community, and for every project is actually different automation. So you can see like for N10 right now there are like 60 automations. Every automation is kind of like different. For make.com there are like so many automations. Okay, and if I kind of like open like Gemini, if you can see like about the Gemini's automations, so about like extensions. So for like different automation systems, for like different platforms, there are right now so many automations and AI agentic stuffs and also apps. And not only this, while building any kind of AI automations or AI agents, if you face any problems, you can ask the solution from me or my team members. We actually do our best to give the best solution to our members as soon as possible. So yeah, the link has been given in the description. Just join now. Okay, so let me kind of like show that how you can just build this AI system, or like how this AI system really worked. So the first, as you can see, I'm actually using an on-prem submission, and through that I'm kind of like getting the product image. And here in the place of setup phase, let me kind of like show you what I have to do. So here I'm kind of like setting everything, the Cloudinary, the Nano Banana Pro, and also the Clean 2.6, which is actually this one, and which is responsible for actually generating the video. And how can I actually do that? So in the place of setup credential, I actually added everything. You can see the Cloudinary API secret key, the Cloudinary cloud name, Cloudinary upload preset name, okay, and the log image URL. So all of the things will get inside the the Cloudinary. So I'd given the link in the description of this exact website. Create your account like this, and then you have to just kind of like go here in the place of API keys, and from here you will get everything like the cloud name, the API secret key, and all the stuffs that you needed. And after that, you have to just kind of like go here in the place of assets, and you have to just upload a logo, and then you have to copy the URL of that logo, and then you have to put this thing in that exact place of the logo. Okay, and then in the place of Kai API key, we have to actually give the Kai API key, because we are using here Kai AI, so you can actually generate images and also the videos. So let me kind of like show you that how can I actually do that. All I have to do is, like, I had given the link in the description. So when you click that, you have to just go with like this thing, and then you have to just go with market, and here you actually get your API keys. And basically we're using a Nano Banana Pro at first. You can see that's what the Nano Banana Pro that looks like. Okay, in here you can see that you can actually give a prompt, and also you can actually give a image. So that's what we're doing in here, and based on that, it's kind of like giving us this kind of outputs. If I kind of like show you, which is this one, the Nano Banana Pro, and here you can see it's kind of like saying us the message success, and also it is giving a task ID. So basically we actually need these two things. And here you can see I actually map the stuffs, and in the place of code, let me kind of like show you what I did. I kind of like calling here Nano Banana Pro, and in the place of prompt, I'm actually giving the prompt that I just set it in the place of setup prompts. So basically you have to actually give a image prompt, and also you have to give a video prompt. That's it, and that's very simple, like as it show that my videos and my images. So if you don't like this, like, you have to actually give your own prompts. That's it, very simple. So in the place of JSON codes, you can see that that's the image inputs. So this is the first input, which is actually the uploaded image of the shoe, in this case your product, and the second image is actually the logo image. So that's what we're kind of like uploading in the place of Cloudinary, which is exactly this one. And then we kind of like giving the aspect ratio and also the resolutions. Okay, so that's it, that's how it works. And it will just kind of like go with this process, the generation time. It will just take some time, and then it will just go with like the get the image URL. So basically we have to just wait here for some time, and after that we have to check that through the task ID, that is it giving us the rel JSON or not. If it actually gives us the rel JSON, then I have to go with the rest of the process. So yeah, then we actually kind of like adding here that video generation thing. So at the first we're actually using the Clean 2.6. again we are using this AI model from the Kai AI. You can see that how it works. So if you just open the Kai AI Clean 2.6, you will see that like you can actually give the prompt, and here you have to just give the image URL. So that's what we're doing. At first we actually generating the image through our input image, and then we actually generating a video through that generated image. And if you go in the place of API, you can actually see that like bunch of things in here. So at the last, if you go at the place of request example, you can actually understand that what you have to do and how can you set up that by yourself. It's very easy though. And then what you have to do is like you have to just go with these processes, and again we actually go with the same process. We are waiting here, then we actually go in the get a video URL, the same way we're actually going here, just going the task ID. Then at the last we're actually using a JavaScript code, which is like this, and through that we kind of like getting in the video URL. And after that we have to upload that to different social platforms. But before that we actually need to generate the captions, right? Because it's very important. And for that I'm using an AI agent, and if I kind of like open that, that's how the thing really look like. I'm actually giving the product name, and here I said like what this AI agent really have to do, and based on that it's kind of like giving us this kind of output. So you can see all the social media captions are here for that exact product. And here in the place of structure output, I said that how it have to give me the captions for different social media platforms. So that's why it's kind of like giving me that things. And after that I'm using an upload post, and you can see that's what it look like. I've given this exact tool in the description so you can understand that how this thing really works. So yeah, all of the things in here, as you can see, after just uploading to all of the social platforms at once, it will say you that as a status is completed. So that's why you can understand that the status has been completed. Okay, and yeah, that's how the things really work. And the same thing we actually applied in the place of image ad generation, or like image ad upload. So you can see that we actually going down from submission, we're actually giving the image of the product, and then product name, and also we actually select the ratio, right? And then we're actually giving the setup credential the same way. We're actually giving in here, we're actually giving these things in here. And then in the place of setup prompts, we're actually giving only the image prompt, because we only need the image prompt, that's it. We don't need to actually give the video prompt in this case. And then we actually go in the Cloudinary, because we actually added these things in here, and that's how the Cloudinary setup looks like, the URL, the method. And then in the place of API key, we're actually giving the API key. In the place of value of the upload preset, we're actually giving the upload preset name. We're actually mapping that everything from the first place. And here in the place of enter binary file, we're actually giving the image, that's it. And after that, it will save something like a URL, which is this one, and we're actually giving this URL to Banana Pro, like inside the Kai AI, and based on that, it kind of like generating a new image. And again, it's kind of like showing us these things. And yeah, just a wait node, and then a get image URL. Again, if the after the waiting node, if it shows us the register is not empty, then it will go with the if node, and then it will go with the code in JavaScript. But if it shows empty, it's mean the image generation is not completed yet, so it will go here again, the image gen process, it will wait here again, then it will go the rest of the processes. So that's how it really work. And in the place of caption, if I kind of show you, we actually go in the same process, the same thing we're actually doing. And then in the place of upload post, we kind of using here, instead of using upload video, we need to just go with upload photos, because we're actually uploading the photos. And here you have to just select all the social media platforms, and that's it, which social media platform you want to choose. And you have to actually map everything. And then in the place of LinkedIn, you have to just select your LinkedIn page. In the place of Pinterest board, you have to select a Pinterest board. Very simple though, and it will be uploaded to all the social media platforms. So this tool link has been given in the description, so you can actually use that. Also, you can actually use Blotato, whatever you think is good, just go with that. So yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you're new in this channel, make sure to give a like and subscribe. And to know more about AI and automations, make sure to join the Hello AI community. I had given the link in the description. See you with a new video. Peace.